Glad you joined the video. So let's start. It's a step-by-step guide for how to paint a beautiful landscape in MS Paint with just mouse. And thank you for supporting my channel and my art. So do like this video. Let's aim for 20 likes and share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the video or channel. And if you want to see more content like this, you can follow my socials like Instagram. There I posted many beautiful paintings and cards and all things. So let's start with the video. Okay, so the first step is outline and canvas cutting. Okay, so the simple is, first I will cut the canvas. As you can see, I will just use this boxed square thing in MS Paint, and I will cut out the canvas as required from the reference. I use reference photos from Pinterest. I barely use AI things. Okay, so that's it. For outlining, I will just first and one more thing with this is I remove white color from the canvas, so it makes easy for me to highlight and give shadow to my painting. So the outlining is just basic structure of the things, where my mountains, where my horizon is lying. So if while after drawing, I will not regret that, oh my god, my mountain is a little bit down, little bit up, a forest star, little bit here, little bit there. So you should, if you are a new to the painting, you should try this outlining method. It's kind of good. It helps a lot. Okay, so third step is sky painting. Sky painting is very easy. You just have to find the perfect color. Perfect color, I mean the real color or the reference color which you are using. I see most artists, what they do is they don't find the color. Their strokes are fine, but in their painting the sky looks kinda dully because it's not the sky color or the color that is matching with their painting. So take your time, take many minutes to find the color. See, I will take time to find the color. I may be wrong in first two attempts to find the color, but I will find the perfect color. So I will find the two colors, then I will blend it easily, and that's how you will get a perfect blending blue sky. Okay, so fourth step, clouds. So clouds is basically a cotton ball in air with some shadow and with some highlight part. It depends where your sun is. How you cast your shadow on clouds depends where your sun is. If it's sunset, then it will be different. If it's noon, it will be different. If it's sunrise, then it will be different. If it's in 45-degree angle, then it will be different. If it's behind the clouds, then it will be different. And that's how you will add shadow and highlight part on the clouds. So here I just want some indication of far clouds and a little bit clouds on the top of. So that's what I'm looking for, and after that I will add some shadow to it, and that's it. It's easy clouds. I'm not going into deep. Okay, so fifth step is mountains. So here I want far mountains, so I will not go in details. I mean, I will not put some green and that thing. I will just use the blue color. Mountains are not actually blue, but in landscapes they catch the blue color of the sky. So here I will just use the blue color to just indicate that there is a mountain range behind my forest. It is just indication of a mountain range there. That's it. Okay, so sixth step is forest. Now forest is an important part because it is what you are trying to show in this painting now. So you have to be careful what your highlights and what are your shadow parts. The stroke is important, how you stroke these trees in that, how you give illusion of forest, far forest and the front forest, front trees and all that. If I want a highlight part, I will add later, but from first we will take the darkest color, and I will just give a stroke, just straight stroke. Just give it time. Make as many trees as you can. Highlight the trees where you think sunlight is falling, and darken the trees where you think there is no sunlight. That's it. That's easy. And you can give a illusion of forest here, like I did. If you want some gaps, you can leave some gaps for grounds, and some space between them for rocks and all things. It's very easy. You can also do this. And here I am putting some gap for the river. That's it. So the seventh part is drawing the river. So river is kind of learning thing. You have to practice if you don't know how to paint rivers. So the reflection is important, how your tree shadow is falling in them. It's kind of hard, but you will learn easily. I'm also learning rivers right now, so you may find very weird you will find my river very weird, but I'm trying. So what I will do, just light brighten the river color. It's kind of cyan and blue color. Okay, it's kind of between cyan and blue color. You will find that river color. I usually use that color. It's natural. And after that I will give him indication of waterfall. And see, this is how the outlining work and helps a lot in this painting. Outlining shows me where my river is, how high my forests are. They should not hide those mountains which I draw. See, now you can have a perfect view of a landscape. This is how you add depth in the landscape, by showing the farthest thing and the closest one. So yeah, that's it. I will add some water and waterfall. And after that there is only one step remaining, is just detailing a front part. I mean the shore where the cameraman or this photo is taken. Okay, like grass and all that. And that's it. That's how you paint a very beautiful landscape in MS Paint with just mouse. You just need to be patient, and you have to trust the process. The practice make a man perfect. That's all I want to say. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Give a review about this content. I tried a different method this time. I tried to show step by step, every step, that how I painted this landscape in MS Paint with just mouse. So many artists or upcoming beginner artists can learn these simple things, simple software to make their landscape. Okay, so do like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, bye. I will see you next day.